The Nutribullet blender right here. This blender is amazing. I had it for like 2 to 3 years so far. I mix a lot of smoothies and protein almost every day. It comes with its two different size of cups. Comes with more handle. I had one more piece of this, but it's not sure where it went. So these you could just literally screw them on like that. Comes with a handle, which is pretty cool. And this one comes like with a cover, so you could take to your gym, or to have after your post workout, or you could just take during the day. Check in the link in the description if you want to get your hand on this. It's really good. After 2 3 years using this, it's powerful, it's strong, it crushes oatmeal, everything. I'm going to show you guys right now how I'm mixing a smoothie. This right here though, it does make a little noise. It's a little bit loud. That's the only downfall, the noise. But beside that, it's amazing. The price is amazing. It tells you the water, the max level water right here. That's how much I add. I'm gonna be adding a spoon of oats. I'm gonna do a spoon of peanut butter, a spoon of Greek yogurt. So far we got oatmeal, Greek yogurt, peanut butter, kale, spinach, blueberry, raspberry, strawberries. Now if you're gonna mix a regular protein, you could use a high quality isosource protein from Mutant, or you could use the mass protein if you're bulking. Check in the link in the description. I'm gonna leave a discount code so you guys could order your protein and get 20% off. Protein in there, 1 scoop. You just have to turn this. So we screw this on. What you basically do is just tilt it over like that. You could see everything. Kind of like press it down. Like press it down like this. You don't have to hold it. Just make sure you twist it. But it's pretty powerful. But you can hear the noise. I would say 30 seconds if you really wanted to chop up super small. Leave it for 60 seconds and that's it. And we do flip it over like that. All right, so we're gonna screw this out. You're just gonna rinse that off, and you can put on whatever top piece you want from the top part. And then look, I just wanted to show you. See that? Nothing. Super amazing. So it blends good, it works fast, it blends really fast, washable, reusable, it's powerful, it's cheap. The budget, it's a really good budget price when it comes to blender. So check in the link in the description box, get your hand on this, get the more details and review. Don't forget to subscribe, is 100% free. I got more product videos and reviews on box coming up. Check in the link in the description to get 20% off in protein supplement, and highly recommend this blender and protein. More videos coming up. Don't forget to subscribe.